Good morning, everyone. I'm here installing a brand new kickstand on my 650 Kawasaki Ninja. I'm going to install this kickstand, do a little upgrade. I have a faulty kill switch. It kind of works and doesn't work, so I'm going to show you how this thing actually works. So when the kickstand is up like this, you have a closed circuit. So now the engine, you can put it on first gear and you can drive away, no problem. When the kickstand is down, it's an open circuit. So the minute you put it into gear, the bike shuts off automatically. Okay, that's a safety feature. So it works like this. When the kickstand is down, it opens it up. So no electricity can go from the engine to the transmission, and it shuts off. When the kickstand is up, now the circuit is completely closed and you can put it in gear and ride away. So it's just a safety one. Okay. But I am going to delete this one today and I'm going to show you how to delete it. A lot of guys that ride motorcycles and they do racing at the tracks, you're not allowed to have a kickstand. So they take the kickstand off and they delete the kill switch. And also I'm going to show you step by step how it's done. So over here, I don't have a pulley that you can put in here for the spring, and then you can pull the spring out, right? I use zip ties, the next best thing. It's easy, affordable, cheap. So what you do is you just put two zip ties on the spring and two more zip ties to give it a pull. And then all you have to do is close it and then just pull on it. 1 second. Let me get a better angle. There we go, like this. So now when you pull, 1 second. It's hard to do it holding the phone, but that's the idea right there. You're just gonna pull that and just take it right off. Give me 1 second. There we go. See? I just needed to use two hands because the springs are really strong. So just pull on it and then take it right off. Very, very easy and convenient. And that's it. Once you take the spring off, arm is loose. And then back here, there's a bolt. I already loosened it a little. Well, still pretty tight. But you get the idea. Give me 1 second while I take this bolt out. Okay, I got the bolt out. Now we're going to need to take this bolt out as well. Okay, but before we do that, we have to loosen the kill switch. And we're going to start with this bolt right here. Okay, I'm going to take that out. Give me 1 second. I'll be right with you. Okay, once this bolt is off, you can take it off from here. Push it to the side. And then next, we're going to take this bolt out, which is holding the kickstand. Okay, so I'm going to take this bolt out now, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so After you take this screw off, push this to the side, take this screw out, right? You unscrew it, put it to the side, and now you can take off your kickstand. Okay? All right. So first step, take the back one off. That's the first step, right? Before that, you gotta take the spring out. So one, spring. Two, back bolt. Three, the small little bolt so this can move to the side, right? So you can take it off from the kickstand and then take this bolt out. Once this bolt is out, now we're going to work on taking this out of here because this is attached to the back right there. Okay, so give me 1 minute and I'll get right back with you. Okay, so once you pull this out, that little hole is connected to that. So that's what's holding it right there. Okay, so you just gotta bring it down, pull it out. And this is what we're gonna be working on. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna clean all of this and then I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Well, fortunately, I was unable to do the job. Too thin. It would not fit the bracket on the kickstand. So I had to put everything back together to another day. But overall, to delete it is the that cable right there. That cable connects to this, and all you have to do is solder those two cables together. Put heat the heat shrink on there, and call it a day.